What's up, y'all? If you're here to learn how to make chicken and shrimp stir fry on a budget, then you've came to the right place. Now, before I start, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Did you do that? All right, let's get started. Now, before we start, my name is Kay, by the way. Okay, guys, so far I have my chicken cut up, I have my chicken breast cut up, I have my shrimp out, I have the rice going, boiling, I have the broccoli steaming. I'm getting ready to season the chicken right now, and I'm gonna put it on. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna start with the seasoning. I got black pepper, seasoning salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now you don't need too much black pepper on it, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. Then a little bit of garlic. Get that seasoning in there. Onion. Make it real flavorful. Now your chicken is nothing without seasoning salt. So you want to get that in there too. Then we're going to mix it in there. You don't want too much seasoning salt because you don't want it to be too salty. But you do want it to be still flavorful. Add a little bit more. Okay, next we got the shrimp. So the shrimp really doesn't need too much seasoning on it. I typically just put onion powder and garlic powder on it. You can use any kind. See, I got the Great Value and then the Spice Supreme. Just put a little bit on there, not too much. You don't need too much seasoning. Let me just mix it in. Okay, so here's the broccoli. So with the broccoli, I tend to season it with garlic powder, Lawry's seasoning salt, and ground black pepper. Can't forget the butter either. We're gonna start off with a little bit of black pepper. Not too much. A little bit of garlic. And a little bit of seasoning salt. Then we're gonna put just a tablespoon of butter in there. You want to mix it. And the reason why I don't put it all together right away, I want to make sure my vegetables and my chicken and my shrimp, I want them to all have their own flavor. Okay, and we're just gonna let that just marinate in that for a little while. I'm gonna make the chicken. I'm gonna put just a little bit of butter in the pan. Now it's time to add the chicken. We're gonna save the shrimp for last because the shrimp does not need to cook too long. And we're just gonna let that cook for a little while. Just gonna let it brown for about 5 minutes. Now that my chicken has browned, I'm gonna add the shrimp to it now. Also gonna add some mushrooms on in there. Put it all together, mix it all in. We're gonna let that just cook for about 5 minutes. Mixing it in with the butter, trying to keep that flavor going. Now I poured the whole box of mushrooms in there because I really love mushrooms, and it adds that flavor and it gives us more of a healthy stir fry, the mushrooms and the broccoli. Now our rice is done boiling, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut the bag open. Going to pour it back into the pot, and then you're just gonna add just a little bit of butter in there just so it's not dry. up. As you can see, our chicken, our shrimp, and our mushrooms are finishing up. So now we're gonna just add the broccoli to it. Finish the stir fry up. This is the Choy sweet and sour sauce. I got it from Kroger for about $1.99, so it's inexpensive. And this is the finishing product of my chicken and shrimp stir fry. Sweet and sour sauce top on top. Amazing. And this is my chicken and shrimp stir fry. It tastes amazing. Thank you guys for watching. And again, if you haven't already, like, comment,